I just want to say that my makeup has been on for like 10 hours now, so don't look at it for too long. Hello guys, welcome to a sit down video. I haven't done a sit down video in a long time. I do love these videos. I love not vlogging sometimes. I know that my channel mainly consists of vlogs, but I also like fashion and beauty and such, and I want to do more of these videos. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. It doesn't have to be like hauls, it can be like challenges and whatever. Anyway, let's get into this video. Today we are doing a Princess Polly haul. I'm super excited. I love Princess Polly so much. I'm so excited that they finally reached out to me because I actually, funny story, I placed a huge Princess Polly order recently, actually a couple months ago, and like 2 weeks later they reached out to me and they're like, hey girl, we want to sponsor you. And I was like, heck yeah, I love Princess Polly so much. I have been shopping with them for like a year now, and it's just great. So I'm so excited to show you guys everything that I got. But before we get started, I do want to say that I have a discount code for you guys that will get you 20% off, and the code is Jelian, and they do have free express shipping to the US on all orders over $50, and they also offer afterpay to all US customers. My computer just turned off and turned back on by itself. Let's get started. Starting with the dress that I'm wearing right now. I will show you better in the try-on portion. The try-on clip of this video. It is super cute. I wore it all day. I just wore it with some sporty white shoes, and it looked adorable. So you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I just love dresses with sneakers. This dress just ties up at the front, and it has a zipper on the side. And for girls with bigger breasts out there, you can also wear this with no bra. I'm wearing it with no bra right now. That never happens. But since I can tie up the straps, I can make them as tight as I want and hold up the girlies. And all the dresses on Princess Polly are freaking adorable. This order is mainly like very beachy, very summer vibes, and also girly, like, I don't know, dresses and skirts. That's just the vibe that I've been going for this summer. I'm totally kidding. I've been sleeping all summer. I got this button-up shirt. I was gonna call it a beach cover-up, but it's totally not. It's a shirt. You can wear it however you want, and it has these cute little bows on the side. I love the detail. It is a little bit see-through. It's very like airy, and I love it a lot. But when I got it, I envisioned myself wearing it to like the beach. I've been wanting to go to the beach so bad, but it's been raining every day, and I have all of these cute clothes that I can't wear, not even to my pool. Anyway, this is a little bit oversized. Then I got another little button up. This one is beige. It's not the same, I promise. I also got this one with the intention of wearing it to the beach, but I mean, you can literally wear these with like some cute jeans and like a little like tube top. It is also very lightweight, so you can totally wear this during the summer. Then I got this little two-piece set. Guess what I got this for? You guessed it, for bikinis for the beach or for the pool, whatever. Now this one was meant for bikinis, okay? Very clearly, you can see it. It's like knit, super see-through. I love it. I love it so much. It's adorable. I have an upcoming beach trip with my girls. It's actually a bachelorette party for one of my very close friends, so I can finally get a use out of all of this. Like, imagine this with like a neon bikini or a red bikini under it. Adorable. And yet another cover-up. Actually, I think this is supposed to be a cover-up, but you could also wear this with like a cute bralette under it. Honestly, the possibilities are endless with any clothing item that you own, because there are no rules to fashion. Moving on from the beachy things, I got a really cute romper. This is just in a green color, and it has this little like flap in the front that makes it look like a dress, but it's not. You've been fooled. It's a romper. I mean a jumper. I mean a romper. I said it right the first time. It has adjustable straps, and like I said, adjustable straps are everything to me. And it's also just really flattering, especially on days where you want to look cute and girly, but you don't really want to wear a dress, but you want to look like you're wearing a dress. That's really specific. Okay, I finally got one of these little silk satin skirts. I have wanted one of these skirts for so long in black. This one has a slit on the side. They have another one that's similar to this one, and I just couldn't pick one, but I finally went with this one. This is the Clio Laveau Midi skirt. This is also such a staple piece. You can dress it up you can dress it down. You can wear it in any kind of weather unless it's really cold outside, then maybe not. But you can always wear it in Florida, so I win. Here I go again, getting off topic. Anyway, it's a cute little black skirt. There's not much to say about it. It's a cute staple piece. You can literally do whatever you want with this. I got this little sweater thing. It looks really weird when I hold it up. I haven't tried it on yet, but it looked really cute on the model. It's just a structured like sweater, but it's not long sleeve and it's cropped. But honestly, it's really good material. Like, it has some weight to it. I'm really excited to try this on. I don't know how it's gonna work out. We'll see. I think it worked out. It looks really cute. It kind of matches my skin tone though. Okay, this top, I saw a lot of influencers wearing it. This one comes in different colors as well. The light is so bright right now. I just got it in white. I love the lace details on the sleeves and all down here. I'm not sure how to wear this yet because the whole boob situation, but on the try-on portion I'll figure it out. So this top I got with the intention of wearing it to my beach trip that I was just talking about. I tried it on as soon as I opened it because it's so cute. It has this little like silver loop thing and it holds up the girls, don't worry. It ties in the back and at the top, so it kind of looks like a bathing suit, but it's not. But I just love that you can adjust it to hold everything together. It's such a cute summer piece. I got these cute little white shorts. Again, the light is way too bright. I don't think you can see anything right now. They're like this linen, like cotton material. I actually thought these would be a little see-through to wear like casually. Like, I thought these would have to be a cover-up like type of short, but they are double lined, thankfully, because Princess Polly cares about all of us. So they have this layer under it so you won't be able to see anything down there. If you do just want to wear these casually, they are so cute. Everything is so cute. These do say beach house shorts, so I'm guessing they're meant for like the beach. But you will catch me wearing these at all times because I love these. Then I got some skirts that look very similar, actually, just different patterns. Are they the same skirt? I'm not sure. But the first one I got is this one. This reminds me of like a Polly Pocket or like a Bratz doll. I love it so much. I love this pattern. I think this might be my favorite thing out of everything. I can't tell you why. I just love this pattern so much. I was so attracted to it. It reminds me of my childhood. And then the other one that I got is this like leopard pattern, but it's red and gold and also just really freaking adorable. And then the last item that I got is a belt. Cute, edgy belt. I've been also feeling very edgy lately. My style is all over the place and I'm okay with it. Like, I don't feel like I have to identify with one thing. But I got this cute, edgy belt. Edgy. And I love it. You can just wear this with like a plain black shirt and some jeans, and then you throw this on and it's like you actually tried, but you didn't. You just put on a belt. That is it for this video, you guys. Again, don't forget to check out Princess Polly. The link will be in the description, and use code Jelian for 20% off. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out my vlogs if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.